The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I did a previous video talking about an incident that happened within the country of Jamaica, where it is said that a female was stuck in a hole that is in a tree. You see me? A person contacted me on Instagram and claimed that she is the female who was stuck in the hole that is in the tree. You see me? And I'm going to read a piece of the conversation because the conversation was somewhat of a text conversation. You see me? And at one point, the person went on camera to prove that she is who she said she is. All right, so here is a part of the conversation now, you see? Hi, I am the girl who was found in the tree trunk. I don't know how to explain to you what happened, but I was just depressed and did something real stupid. Because of this video, I lost my right to see my daughter and maybe even may lose my job. Well, lose my job. But anyways, you understand what the text is saying, isn't it? I am begging you if you could please remove it because it breaks my heart to see this video over and over again. Alright, so when I saw the text, I texted the person and said to the person that I need somewhat of a confirmation that you are who you say you are. And at some point, the person video called me, you see me? And I looked at the person and I said, all right, this person seems to look like the person who was in the video. The video call did not last very long, you see me? And after the video call ended, there was somewhat of a text conversation between me and the person, you see me? And I'm going to explain to you according to how I understand some things that had been said in that conversation. So please bear in mind that it's not word for word as to what had been said. You see me? Can't really remember everything that closely. You see me? So in the conversation, I said to the person, could you explain to my viewers and subscribers what happened that day? You see me? And the person said that I wish not to explain what happened, but you could tell my viewers and subscribers that she contacted me and she asked me if I could remove the video. And I look at the person and I said, do you mind if I explained the things that you said now? And in the text, I get the understanding that she said yes. You understand me? Now, viewers and subscribers, I removed the video, you see me? Out of respect for a person's health, I removed the video because according to the things that the person said, this seems to be somewhat of a mental issue because the person said in the text or in the conversation from start that she was feeling depressed. You understand? And me, Dancehall Skilla, I'm not going to contribute to hurting someone mental thinking or hurting someone mentally. You understand what I'm saying to you? Yes, so I am only presenting this piece of the video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a understanding as to which video I'm talking about, you see me? And this piece of the video does not show the female's face, you see me? This is a mental issue to me. You understand? I may be right and I may be wrong, but that's what I think, so I just removed the video. And I want to say big up and respect to the person. You see me? And I hope that everything will be okay for the person. You see me? I said to you, and that's it. You understand? So basically, me just make you know what's going on. You see me? And for those who might be concerned about this person, a person contacted me and claimed that she is the female who was stuck in the tree trunk or was in the hole that was in the tree and so forth, and asked me to remove the video, and I did. So just to let you know that she said that she's okay. All right. I'm going to move on to a video right about now, and with that, I'm going to present to you piece of an entire video that is out on social media, and according to what had been said about this video on social media, it is said that this video shows Kaylan's mother giving an update about Kaylan. You see me? And this person also talked about other things as well. That's what I'm saying to you. Now, for those who might not know, the person who goes by the name of Kaylan is a female who was attacked by other females, and she had been hospitalized for some while now. You understand me? Yeah, or some time, I should say. You see me? So here's the video showing a female who is said to be Kaylan's mother giving an update about her medical condition or about her health. All right, so here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
I noticed I had to report about 4 Kaylan Dowdy pages on Instagram yesterday. People making fake pages. I will post Kaylan's right Instagram page so you guys can know which page it belongs to Kaylan. There's only one Kaylan page, right? She had an old one that she forgot the password for. I know that page. I'll still post it. And the one that she's currently using, I'll post that one so you guys can see. So any other Instagram page that you guys see in regards to Kaylan Dowdy, report it, please. But I will let you guys know shortly which one. When I'm finished the live, I'll post it. Remember, guys, Tammy Faye is doing a Facebook fundraiser. Tammy Faye is from Auntie Donna's program. People, please show that page a lot of love and support, because there's a huge argument. This lady says she need a voice note to be convinced that it's my page, I posted it. So if you see it on my page, then how are you not convinced? There's only one Venetia Buckley in this entire world. You can never find another me. I'm the only one in this entire world with that name and spelt that way. All right, guys, back to Kaylan. She's not doing badly. She's moving forward. I am pleased. Yes, we're not out of the woods. We're not where we want to be. We're not, as yet, but we're giving God thanks for the little blessings that we do have. She's still on the ventilator, still not breathing on her own. We are trusting God for a miracle where her breathing is concerned. We're trusting God for a miracle where that is concerned. However, she is responsive. She opens her eyes just the same when I enter the room and I call her name. She's now looking at me. She can see me, yes. Her eyes are dilating. So that's a plus for us as well. She's slowly a bit more alert. So, we're heading in the right direction. So some form of healing is happening there, and we are, trust me. You guys might think it's not that big, but when you go into a hospital room and you see your child just laying there, not moving, not responding, not doing anything, not breathing, unconscious, she can't recognize you, she can't recognize anybody, she can't focus, she can't look at you. It's heartbreaking. So the minute I saw her looking and I saw that she looked, hey, I'm through the roof. I jumped and I behaved like an idiot in that hospital, and the nurses laughed at me, but hey, I'm forever grateful. Yes, Sue Walker, God is great. God is awesome. God is awesome. He is, and, I have been telling her about you guys, how much you guys been showing her love, because she can hear me. She can hear me. I've been telling her about the support. I talk to her every day. I tell her what's going on in this world around her, and how much you guys are outpouring, the concerns and the love and everything.
Viewers and subscribers, I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video, you know, and that link will take you back to a previous video that shows this female talking about Kaylan and so on. You understand me? And I only hope that Kaylan pulls through what's going on with her, and you know, I wish for nothing but the best. You see me I say? So anyways, you can let me know what you think about the video that I presented to you in this video, and you can let me know what you think about the things that I talked about in this video. Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in name Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.